and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be talking about What Skin. It's a personalized skincare line depending on your skin's results based on this kit. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what Skin is all about. Love the branding. Oh my gosh. Okay, super cute spa kit. So it comes with, it's like a foamy washer for your face. Lovely silk scrunchie, a mask. We also have a towel. And then here's the actual skin test. This kit will basically like transform how you shop because you'll know exactly the specific products that you'll need. Oh my gosh, I love all the branding they have going on. I mean, every single thing is just like super cute, well packaged, well done. Go ahead and type into your app browser, What Skin, and then their app should pop up. Then it's gonna prompt you to start your quiz, which is basically if you have your kit. So it's gonna show like a few about you, biometric meters, skin selfie, blah, blah, blah. And talk about your biggest skincare concerns. After you're done with the About You section, it's gonna prompt you to use your kit for the biomarker test. So you should continue with the swab test. Open the package and inside you'll find 2 pouches. So let's go ahead and open up the first one. This is the kit and I need to open up the sampling swab. So with this pointing outwards, swab my cheek 10 times in a circular motion. All right, What Skin? Inserting into here. Press the button firmly until you hear a click. So next is the skin selfie. Align your face according to the guide outline. Okay. And then turn your right cheek. Look directly at the camera. Now pinch your cheek. And is uploading all the photos. Oh, with them they can actually visually track how your skin changes over time. Okay, now that the test is done and this is completely pink, as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and start the scan test. And then finally, once it's done scanning, you can go ahead and go to the questions. Okay, now the test is complete. Oh, exciting. So I can go ahead and click on that for my test results. Ba-bum. So you get a skin score. Basically, it just says all these different things in terms of like, you know, what you can do to make it better. Go ahead and click on Find Products for Your Skin, and then it'll bring you to their store, and then you can shop their skincare products. I would definitely recommend it, especially now seeing that they do recommend reasonable priced products. I think it's a pretty cool test to take just so that you can have a really highly personalized skincare product. If you want to check out What's My Skin or What Skin actually, check out the link below. All that stuff is I have a little promo code for you as well. Please subscribe so you can see more of my content. And if you like unboxings, just continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.